5 load of gravel. And
if I forget to make it
better sand. That's sand. Way better one. Yes, about 3 tipa.
Okay.
So I cannot get sufficient money for house. Okay. So I want to take in and go bank, cash the money, give to you.
Mangoro, the one way that they use, way plug with the sign, mangoros.
The mango they talk. Okay. Now go. Yeah. None of them wear their hands clean, not to talk of the money.
Pneumonia. To become the pneumonia in this village.
What kind of pneumonia is that? If you know the thing what they do before they get money,
you won't bury money. If alarm will blow, alarm no go blow.
You can't alarm. And if alarm blow, make you know what you go enjoy, eh?
Where the cutlass?
There you put it. The cutlass where we bring you. Where is it?
Wait. People go suspect to say something they
as you put this one.
They go suspect.
Good. Hey, Happy
remember, say this one a top secret. So now you won't tell me say a top secret.
No,
I need to tell you.
Oh,
wait. Make you carry this one come out here now. This is tree of love.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Now the branch of this tree.
Yeah. They're not going to say money days here.
Remember, say
now top secret. No problem. Even our pikin, we no go tell our pikin. Our wife make you no tell our wife.
They know they tell people about this one.
Now me and you.
Two. Top secret.
Thank you.
Okay, you don't win one before. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 5, 5, 6, 4, 5, 5, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't tell you.
Now, so much you could make. You go see yourself now. I'll be your champion. 2 6, okay, don't see. Sweet revenge.
Alright.
4 6, 5 6 2. Wait. That's 1 6 2 6 3 6. Make a waste. Then remain 6 2. Then I come out another 6 double decker.
I go tell you say I'll be president for this business.
Oh, yeah. I'll be your father always. Carry him 2. You 4. I don't send back for you. Make your coins. Make you see.
Did I say my love to no shine at all?
You be shining. 6. Only 5. You. That's 3, 2.
6.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Who keep all of my things?
5, 2, 3. Come on, make I see you. I don't trap you everywhere. 6 carry on again.
Yeah.
Remaining 5.
But you are right.
Go. 8. That's 3, 5. Look at it.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. 6, 2. Come on to 6, 2. Come on to 6, 2. Come on to 6, 2. 1, 2, 4. Carry on. 4, 2, see you. Greasy, I don't win this one.
Proceed, yes.
Greasy, I don't win this one. 6. Wait. I don't go play the rest. 6. 3.
I know 6 is daddy. Abra, let the phone for your house. So,
wait, we can't read
I said let the phone for your house.
which me how many what I got? Daddy.
Hey, my house. My eyes, the pepper be my eyes. Abra.
Now what happened, Daddy?
Abra.
If you say you're a thief or armed robber, now you enter my house. Now so you go to sit down like Gary who will not get water for face. I entered this house. You don't know the person they entered the house. If you say the person will go clear all my load, now you go sit down, begin to play. One block up. Talk to Mama, don't hear, kill me.
Abra, wait.
Sorry for the person wait for you.
Abra.
You. Now don't do this. Let's come.
Don't enter us, oh. If you say you don't enter, God do me that.
Papa, don't put pepper on my eye, though.
Now don't be this.
No man, they go straight like that. Oh. They go straight like that.
Now don't be this stupid boy. Come on for here. Small pikin like you, they dey for nursery school. You come sit down for here, come play ludo. Idiot. You don't know how to clear out this in your mind thing. Old man dey work. You don't know say na because of that they work for. Lord no back for say, not people for people. For look back, a meeting my job bad. God go punish me. I go punish God and do me. When me born you, I don't say God go punish me. Amen. Come on. Why you know they think the person, the son of the person who you are? Look now, I dey work, not because of you, but because of you. If I die now, what the thing I get, including my bicycle, then you go get out. I mean, you go get out.
Natural.
Thank you.
Sorry.
My pecan, by the grace of God, life won't change now. You hear me? Because all this house, we don't go live for this house again. You go still inside flask.
Flat. Don't be flat.
Thank you. And that house, you go front down.
We go rock down.
Everything.
We go rock.
Thank you. So, one money won't come. Even if the money don't come now, my pecan. So, that money, I don't keep am. for one place. Not be me get that money. You hear me? Who get that? I am just coming from the place where I go plant the money. So if police, if to say alarm blow, police catch me, they lock me, you will go to that place very close to the river. You know the river we dey for our house.
Yes, I know.
And you go see one tree we are plant for that place.
So you put the money inside the hole there.
You go take small. Okay, take all the money. You go take small. Go to the police station. Pay me out.
But daddy, they know they take money based person.
Lawyer go talk something now.
Now you sabi, I know the way I go.
You hear me?
I don't
so
know.
just carry the money, comot the money from that place, keep out for one place. You have to say that jail me, when I come out from the prison, me and you, we go begin to enjoy the money. Wait till me. No problem. I go do that one. Then go jail you. Thank you, my pikin. You see, me and you, we don't become Papilu. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. How are you, Daddy? Sorry. See? See my backyard. See my backyard. Sorry. They beat hell out of me. See? Sorry. The blala. Sorry. The blala. When I if today I kill the person who come rob me. That's alright. The way they started to me is so good. That's alright. Papilu. Look. See the water. Now water way my pikin they take over me if you make me. They rub your side. My body. Sorry. Sorry, Just, as I just enter now, Ronke tell me say you don't come. You come say this, that, they rob you. All the thing where they pray for saying if they not kill you. I hope they don't do something like that. One of the debula. That boy, great. After Rotamela, the debula, that boy great. They take the gun like this. They say, open your mouth. They put the gun for your mouth like this. Wow! The boy says, what is this? My bullet. That boy great, you get to do. This can you do? The great. But daddy, for the but now the person you talk say, stop that first. You can explain myself. You're coming out of me. You're coming out of me. Abraham, make you not come out here again. Thank you. That's all right. Thank you. They carry the gun again. They put up for that boy. Sorry. They shoot up. The boy say, what do you mean? The boy say, now your bullet begins. You get the bullet. But before I open my eyes, they just knock the money down, run away. Oh. It was saying that that boy alone, they don't fit catch the money. Okay, sorry. You understand? What is the thing we are going to do? Say, I will go to police station and go report. Go report to me, Mr. Bello. With all the things I do for you, report you yourself. You said you want go tell police make a call. No, I won't go report the matter to police. You know the best thing for life is if anything like that happen to you, go to the police station, make report. It's not necessary. We don't go for this. Police say they won't see the owner of the money. That's all. That's all. So you don't go report the matter. That's all right. Then we go to the police station now. I will just go to them, say make them no worry you people.
Waiting my eye, this is Abra. Otapia, Abra. Otapia, what you can do here? What carry you to come here? I say what you can do here. I say what carry you come here. Now the money where they here I can't take. And I me too I can't take. Who say make you can't take her? Who send you to? Who say make you can't take this money? Now they ask from you send you. Now my brother then the bulla say make I can't take this money. Now my papa Aluwe now he send me come say make I can't take. You see, since when we don't live for the same compound, you never know how I get power. You too, you never know me. That day you do am for tap and not talk. Today you won't do am again. I go show you. So you won't fight me for the money? I will fight you because you say that my papa get her. Okay, oh. Aba, keep the money. Now first he won't do you, now the money. Now me and now here after. Keep the money. Keep this money. Keep the money. This money. Keep the money. Now fight you won't fight. Now money me there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He got the power. He got an in my life. Not life. Not life. You. Now money you for. Hey, look at this boy. What did they do now? Oh yeah, now. What did they do now? Why is not the fight? Come, Oga. I better take an easy. Waiting. I better take an easy. Yeah, let's go to the station straight. What? Waiting. Now my take an easy. Now my father. Waiting. Now my father get the money. Now money there? Yes. Yeah, give me the money. Give. Are you crazy? Okay, sorry. Who got the money? Now my father get them. Your father? Yes. Who got the money? Now my brother get them. Your brother get them? Your own father get them? Yes. How now come they fight about it? Oga, you know if you know this thing. Now my father get them, sharp. Okay. When you reach station, now go no ya follow on. Yourself. Me I know the wrong go anywhere. Ya follow on they go.
I did everything for God. Because I thank God say they no kill them. See, Adebayo don't deal with me for long. And we manage ourselves. And the bullet too, you just follow Adebayo come to my house that day. I never sent him somewhere before. This is my first time of sending him to do something for me. No, I mean the bullet. You understand? So, but Adebayo, I don't send him with money, plenty money.
Wey motor LAD. Wey die for Kotokura Road. So me go there.
Yes, go carry the motor.
You have to send another person. You go send that motor for Kotokura side.
I say anyway, I say you trust.
I trust them. So no case, nothing. Okay, that's right. If you can go on with your investigation, if you see those people fine, you don't see them. When
you go sit there.
When they start, they are still whole.
Because
I can't just say they don't kill themselves.
Now you get the money.
Now you get it.
And as you say, you don't want to do case.
Yes,
you know, we go forget about. We go to try. Okay. Maybe we go get any suspects.
We go get there by the grace of God.
If not for Gabilo's intervention, now for Bima.
Go this way.
You know. Sergeant.
Yes, sir.
Who be all these ones though?
As I dey come from the place where you send me, sir.
Yes.
I meet them for road. That they fight over this money, sir.
Money?
Yes, sir.
Now money inside here?
Money, sir.
How much?
It's 10,000 naira.
10 what?
10,000 naira.
Brother, they are brably. I salute you, sir. You know them?
Okay, sir.
Ogabedo, you know them?
Who? Now, I do help him be this.
Make I see.
Now the Nebula brother, now him be this. What is you and they live for the same company. Why they fight now?
No. Why? Okay, all right. In the first place, this small boys, where na get this 10,000 naira? Na my daddy talk say anytime.
Shut up! Bloody fool.
You where get this money, my friend?
Na my brother. Now your brother do anything. The money wey we dey look for, na this people go rubber. You see. Osi. Because they are waiting the happen so. Because they hold on, Baba. Waiting the happen so.
I say hold on. I don't. Hold it. You dey laugh.
Ìgbàjẹ́ jìnnà lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́pàá. Aluwe.
Ogabedo, you know the thing wey dey happen so?
I can't understand.
How much be your money wey lost?
10,000.
10 what? 10,000 abi?
Yes.
And they don't look. Shey na the bag wey na carry the money with you.
Talk yabi. You know which kind bag wey you no get mouth.
I see. Shey you don't see them. Ogabedo, shey you don't see life. Na dem use your money.
Trust no man. Okay. Look at this stupid old man. No. I trust him so I can even give my life to him.
Get him out from there. Stand up there, my friend. Get him here.
Take it easy.
Now,
you don't have to rush.
So tell me the truth immediately now. Now you go keep the money here, yes or no? Baba, talk. Now you go keep the. You won't fight.
No, sir. I dey fear.
Now you go keep the money there. Yes or no?
No, sir. Now these two boys come robbers.
Now you go and I tell you the truth. Tell me the truth.
In the name of God, I don't go tell lies.
Yes.
Then the blood, where is it?
Why you dey bring me like that? Where you think say you dey?
Now he teach me say, make I go find the money for one place. Because Ogabelo, you don't become rich man. Ogabelo go forgive me.
You hear?
Yes. Don't pitch me. Yes. Now he teaching you.
You hear?
Since all this day, I ever tell
Mr. Bello say you hear?
These people can kill.
So you plan 10,000 naira. Anyway, you see 10,000 is nothing for
I've given you almost 290 naira for your welfare after this incident. Yes, okay. You know what?
Yeah.
Brother, Papa, brother to brother, I don't know anything about them.
Okay.
I will come back for my money after your work, after your investigation.
For sure, this one not pass you say
to make case with them. Thank you very much.
I use